Hey friends! Who's hungry? This yummy blackberry cobbler has juicy berries and golden flaky crust in every bite. First, melt half a cup of butter in a medium baking dish in a 350-degree oven. This should take anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. While the butter is melting, combine 4 cups of blackberries with 1 cup of sugar and set aside. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 cup of milk, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Pour the batter over the melted butter, but do not stir it together. Next, pour the blackberries over the flour, and again, do not stir the cobbler. Bake the cobbler for 45 minutes or until the crust has risen to the top and is golden brown. Serve the blackberry cobbler warm with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. Looking for more Southern recipes? Follow me for more.